Alrighty, guys. I've purchased 3 different seasoning. Of course, we all know the Memphis famous rendezvous. I bought this Corky's original barbecue, which is, you could use it on meat, poultry, or fish. And then, of course, world famous Huey's burger. Again, it's ideal for steak, chicken, fish, and vegetables. And if I'm not mistaken, they all say that you can, vegetables. You can put them on your vegetables. So I'm gonna try this Huey's burger seasoning first. Seasoning only, no red wine vinegar. Just, it does pour out a lot. But just straight up seasoning, let it sit for a while, a couple hours, and go from there. So, and then we'll have some shrimp with this nice steak here. But let me know if you've tried any of these seasonings. I definitely want to try that Corky's one for the chicken. I want to get like 2 chicken breasts and see what they taste like. Alrighty. Alrighty, that seasoning smells real good. Away we go. All right, with this, I'm gonna have some peas and carrots. Who likes peas? I know I do, and carrots. And since this does say you can put it on vegetables, the Huey's, I'm just gonna put a little bit, just a dab. There we go. Get that seasoned up. Then BB will make the salad. All right, so how do you guys like your steak? I mean, I'm a well done type of a guy. I know a lot of people say that that's wood. BB is medium well. And the reason I like it well done because I like the fat part cooked. And it gets more when it's seared, personally. It gives more of a flavor. I mean, I'm trying to go to a medium well, or, I mean, I just don't like that much pink in my steak, so I'm just trying to get a little bit better in that. But the seasoning's smelling good, and I got this on low, and that's it. Let's get back in there. The test of a true chef.
There we go. That's good.
Perfect?
Perfect.
Okay.
Waiting on yours?
Just a couple more minutes. I mean, I'm not gonna char it up.
All right.
Just a little bit. I mean, slight pink would be good.
All right. We'll go ahead and get the salad going then.
Yeah, we're gonna have shrimp, sirloin steak, Huey seasoning, peas, and a salad. You got enough?
Yeah, I think so. I think so.
Yeah, well, that's fine. Got a little slight pinkish there.
That's not too bad.
No.
Oh, time for the egg.
And why is it that you like to use the mini cucumbers
They taste better.
versus the big one?
Because they taste better.
Do they?
Mm-hmm. And a lot of the cucumbers, the mini ones like that, I don't know, they just seem like they've got the, like you've just taken them out of your garden. I don't know. It could be all in my head. But I like those. Because you can use those with or without the skin on them.
Right.
So. But I just like them like that.
All right, I cut your meat.
Oh my Lord, you cut my meat. Oh my goodness.
That's what she said. And when you guys make a salad, what do you like in your salad?
In your salad.
We can do 2 eggs each.
2, okay.
Yeah, because we'll have 2 eggs today, 2 eggs tomorrow,
All right.
and 2 eggs.
I wanted to make sure.
Yeah, I boiled 6 eggs.
Okay.
Yeah, BB likes to put this on her salad.
I love feta cheese. Shouldn't have it.
I like the wishbone Italian dressing or the ranch. Either way. I always did like the wishbone style
brand.
tasting flavor Italian dressing. But sometimes you get acid reflux with it.
They do have a lot of vinegar in it.
Yeah. And other little spicy things.
Those are peppercorns.
Yeah. But nope, we're getting, this smells real good. So we get things ready. Taste Huey's.
There we go.
Yep, and I'm definitely gonna try without. It's picture perfect. All right, I just wanted to show the difference. This is a 25 count shrimp from Walmart. This is medium shrimp platter. Doesn't really tell you how many are in there.
Nope. 1 pound, 2 ounces.
And how about here?
It's 1
1 pound. Okay. So either way, it probably averages out. But this was $11.
Yeah.
This was 2 for $19.99. Buy one, get one.
Right.
So basically you paid $11 each. But if they did sell this for $19.99 only, that's pretty expensive.
Yeah.
Yeah, because we went over Sean's house and Carlos, and they gave us shrimp. Now I'm hooked on the shrimp. Get my wild cravings again. Don't cut yourself, dude.
I'm not. Yeah, see, these are peeled like they were with Sean.
Okay. Cool. I'm not really a seafood person. I've always loved shrimp because of the cocktail sauce. I never did like lobster. Then I had a lobster one time and I dipped it in cocktail sauce. Because basically lobster and shrimp don't have a taste.
Not really.
Other than the cocktail.
Crab don't either.
Well, I won't eat crab. I don't think I could eat crab.
Why?
Because I don't know.
Okay. That's logical.
Okay, Spock.
You can open that.
I will. Alrighty, dude. Don't wait for me.
I won't. That's good.
Is it? What flavors is it giving off? And I'm going to try it without the sauce first.
I will say, though, it's got a lot of salt in it. You can definitely taste that salt.
Mm-hmm. Give me the sauce cup. Yeah, I mean, it's not overly
it's good,
heavily.
But I'm just saying, I could taste that salt.
It's not overly heavily seasoned, but it is good. So I guess it comes down to how much seasoning you want to put on it.
Yeah.
And how about your carrots and thing? Because I put a little bit of seasoning on it.
My carrots taste good.
Okay, I just put a little bit. I didn't put that much.
But I'm going to say I don't know which one you used.
Huey's.
All right. This tastes like
Because it doesn't have the celery taste.
seasoned salt
Does it?
with like a smoky barbecue flavor to it. If that makes any sense.
Yes, it does. And then if you can give me the steak sauce. Yeah, because like I said, and I think that's why I like it well done, is I like that seared taste with it. Personally, I think it brings out more. But yeah, you do have the salt that's with the other thing. That's not bad. And the shrimps is not bad size for those that Walmart.
No.
And like I said, and I think if you put more seasoning, it will bring out more saltiness. I think like it's a good seasoning.
Don't put it away.
Oh, you want some steak sauce?
Yeah.
Oh. But like the rend of this, you can taste the celeries and the other stuff in it. Here you're getting the salt. Because it says it has paprika, garlic powder, onion powder, salt, sugar, spices. And that's basically what's showing for the ingredient. And definitely we're going to try this on a hamburger, chicken, but I do.
Well, I am not tasting garlic. I'm not tasting onion, but I am tasting salt.
Yeah. So that's Huey's. World famous. But I am going to do chicken breast with the Corkies.
Yeah.
And
see how that goes.
I'm deciding if you want me to make the barbecue sauce with the guava
For
the chicken breast tomorrow.
Or if you want to, you can.
Well, I'm asking you because we're going to be doing the seasoning, and then we'll put the guava barbecue over it.
Okay.
I
Yeah,
can
then make it.
Yeah, I'm going to make the. These are pretty thick. Now this one, as Dave would say, is not deveined. And if you know what not deveined is, it means it's got poo-poo in it.
You'll be alright.
How's your salad overall?
I haven't even had a bite of that yet.
No. Let's see if I taste it. This is the first time we had a salad that we made with eggs.
Mm-hmm.
Oh yeah, that cucumber definitely does have flavor. It's not an over abundant cucumber taste. You can just taste it slightly.
Right.
All right, guys.
Salad tastes good though.
If you guys, yeah, salad is on point. I mean, it's literally on point. Let us know if you've ever used a Huey's seasoning. if you use it on burger, pork chops, or chicken, do you put a lot of it? Again, I didn't put no red wine vinegar. This is just straight seasoning here because I want to get the natural taste of the seasoning. But still, I mean, this one here, we haven't had it on a steak, but this Memphis original, like I said, that Rendavis thing, Charlie's thing, it's hard to beat. I mean, it's hard to beat this. Very hard.
Yeah, because you can put that on anything.
Yeah, and like I said, we haven't tried it on steak, so we'll make a video with it on steak. But I wanted to, I mean, the way that this Corky's is nice and rich and red, I definitely want to see what this has to offer in taste.
And it says it's good for chicken, poultry, so.
Yeah. Yes, definitely. All right, guys, thanks for joining us. Again, let us know what seasonings you use. Have you ever tried Huey seasoning? What types of stuff you put it on? Do you like your shrimp cooked, frozen? The shrimp is on point.
Everything
Very
is.
nice size. The salad that you made.
Everything is.
I think
good.
like maybe we'll start doing it like that instead of buying it by the packet.
Yeah.
We'll start prepping salads for 3 days with the eggs.
Yeah.
And do it our own, because I think the lettuce that you use is on point, and those cucumbers is.
Well, you like romaine better than iceberg.
Yeah.
So.
Yeah. The romaine is really hitting it.
Yeah. All right, guys. So until the next video, everybody take care. Take care of one another. Take care of yourselves. Bon appetit. See ya.